Hey friends, I wanted to do a relatively quick video of unboxing my Presto pressure canner. So I already cut the tape on it, and I just wanted to quickly pull it out. Wrapped up, almost like everything else, nice and tight with styrofoam. I am really excited about this. I know I've said it a bunch of times, but this epidemic has made quite an impression on me, and I didn't like going in the store and seeing empty shelves, seeing rationed items, being told you could only buy so much flour, so much toilet paper, so much meat. I know we're spoiled, but it was distressing to me. And so this kind of just changed my outlook quite a bit. So I've been thinking on this for a long time. I've been following a lot of homesteaders who can. One of my most favorites is the Needy Homesteader. Her name is Heather. And I just think it's a good practice to know. Grandparents and great-grandparents did it, and I don't know if it was by design that all the canned good companies kind of put the fear of botulism in us, but if you do it properly, there's nothing like providing your own food for your family. So everything comes packaged up beautifully. This is obviously the base of it, where all your jars will go that are going to be processed. This is the rack that it sits on. You cannot just put jars in. Whether you do pressure or water canning, they will break. The jars will break. So this sits inside. This is the book, which now that I've opened it, the instruction manual, I will read this. And I will read it again and again so that I know this machine inside and out. And this is the, I want to say, weight that goes on the valve that lets the steam out once it's going. And of course this is the dial gauge, which lets you know what the pressure is on the items that you're canning. Each thing needs different pressures. Your altitude affects the pressure and the time as well, I think. I gotta read some more, but these are all the parts that go on top of the lid. I also downloaded a book from the USDA book on canning that gives you all the proper times and pressures. This, once your canner reaches pressure, this pops up. This is where the dial gauge goes. No, that doesn't pop up. This pops up. My mistake. I'm learning. And this sits on here. So I just wanted to quickly, and this is the gasket. This is what seals up and helps hold the pressure. I have not done anything to it yet. I see the arrow here, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Your arrows have to be all lined up, and I'll read my manual and get that all going, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this canner so that you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to leave some links below of gals who can and who I've been watching. And I hope that it's something other people start thinking about. It's it's an empowering feeling when you're the one who's preparing the food that you're feeding your family. And not just preparing the meal, but prepping the food that you're going to be feeding your family for preservation means. So that instead of being in the grocery store every day, every other day, you're only having to go once a week, twice a week. There's some gals who are actually only going to the store once a month. They have dairy cows and chickens and such. I'm not at that level. I don't think I'll ever be at that level. But it's just a great feeling to know I can make things like jams, jellies, tomato sauces, green beans, peas, things I'll be growing in my garden. And I can process it and put it on my shelf. So I'm going to say goodbye now and get to know my Presto canner. Thanks for watching.